What's up, y'all? Your boy JP here to show y'all how to take the radio out this 2009 Toyota Camry. First, you want to twist the shifter knob to the left a bunch of times, and then we can pull it up. Then we have two panels covering, two screws holding the pocket in. Be careful with that clip at the top because the dash is very soft and brittle and it will tear. Now, before we actually take the pocket out, we want to remove the top part of the center console and move it up. And it's going to be easier to move the shifter knob towards the back for the next couple parts. Now, once we take the top part off, we don't have a disconnecting the harnesses, just two Phillips head screws. Then you can remove the pocket. Then you have two harnesses, one for the cigarette lighter output and then one for the auxiliary, and it's going to reveal two 10mm bolts at the bottom. Now for the AC vents, you want to be careful, and even though I'm speeding the video up, I'm actually taking my time to try to get some leverage because you don't want to pull on the dash. Once you actually get the AC vents out just a little bit, you can use light hand pressure to pull it out and remove that one harness for the hazard light, and we're going to have two more 10mm bolts at the top. After we take all of those out, everything else is held in by clips, and then we can go and start taking out the harnesses and the antenna. This already has the Motorola style plug. You're going to have a big one and a small one. You're only going to use the big one. I wish they had a converter for both. That first harness is going to be for your steering wheel controls. The second one is a 1761 harness for your speaker wires and your power. Once you unclip the AC, you're pretty much done. Make sure y'all follow for more tips and tricks. God bless you. Peace.